अभी भी आप मानते हैं कि अगर सबसे बड़ा है तो वो शाहरुख खान है?
अब तो दुनिया मानती है। मैं
ये ख्याल आता है कि वन डे आपकी ये शोहरत किसी और के नाम होगी?
ऐसा होगा नहीं।
मैं आपसे आप बात कर रहा था।
I'll tell you honestly.
हाँ,
ऐसा बोल दूं?
बोलो ना।
I'm the last of the stars.
You're the last of the stars.
Of course, Shah Rukh is one of Bollywood's most prominent actors who's been at the forefront of the Indian film and television industry for over 30 years. Forbes have called him one of the biggest movie stars in the world, and Newsweek have named him among 50 of the world's most powerful people. He's used his influence to help others and has a deep commitment to improving child education and public health in India. He's also the founder of the non-profit Mir Foundation, named after his father, which provides support to female victims of acid attacks and major burn injuries. He's the recipient of the World Economic Forum's Crystal Award 2018 for his leadership in championing children's and women's rights in India. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Shah Rukh Khan.
We have got a mega star in the studio this morning. Some people will say he is the biggest movie star in the world. His record speaks for itself. 80 films over 20 years. He earned last year more than who?
Tom Cruise and Johnny Depp. Sorry, it's very vulgar to talk about money, but it's very impressive.
But we just want to build you up. We want to make no doubt that people know how important you are. You see, this man here is Shah Rukh Khan.
The land I come from is the source of inexplicable but very simple spirituality. In its immense generosity, India decided somehow that I, the Muslim son of a broke freedom fighter who accidentally ventured into the business of selling dreams, should become its king of romance, the Badshah of Bollywood, the greatest lover the country has ever seen.
You know, fame, money, big cars, big houses, I think these are peripherals. The core of being a creative person is that I am creative. That is the core. I just hope my creativity doesn't go. जो मैं नयापन कर सकता हूँ, वो अगर मुझसे नहीं छीना जाएगा, तो मुझे कोई बाकी चीजों का डर नहीं है, because they were never supposed to be what I set out for. What scares me is, God forbid, I can't run as fast as I do. God forbid, I can't be as mobile as I am. I wish those things remain with me for as long as I want them to.
I've never been someone who's believed I need all this. I've never needed it. मैं 1500 रुपये लेकर आया था और 1500 रुपये लेकर चला भी जाऊँ तो इतना प्यार कमाया है, इतना नाम कमाया है कि you can't take away the kingship of love that I have. So I don't get scared at all. ये नहीं चलेगी, एक और बना लूँगा. कहीं तो चली जाएंगी, इतनी चली हैं, 70 में से तो कुछ और चली जाएंगी.
I love being a star. I love being a star. I love the crowds. I love people. I love the fact that they smile at me passing in three-wheelers. I love it. I love it. I was born to be a star.